what's up, everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Happy Labor Day. I want to tell you that. Here's what we have going today. It's Friday, 19 GT automatic, Whipple Supercharged. We actually installed a lot of mods on this. We are going to go down and look at the engine compartment, tell you a lot more about it. But it's the green Goblin. Doug, come down here and take a look. I see a lot of cool cars in here. They come in. This has the green Goblin emblems on it. There's also on the back. I think it suits this car perfect. I'm a big fan, but we have the Whipple. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date to watch a lot of cool Mustang Supercharged videos, whatever year you have, 3-valve, you have F-150, it doesn't matter. We are gonna watch a dyno pull, which is gonna be sweet, and we're gonna change pulleys. So we have the 93 with boosting, and then that's gonna be about 100 octane. And then we're gonna do one small pulley swap. We're gonna look at the power difference, but Doug, let's go check it out. All right, a lot of mods were done to this car here. I know you can't see a lot of them, but first and foremost, the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. Doug, let's go take a look at it. It's the Stage 2 kit. So you get the big 132mm throttle body, of course, upgraded fuel pump, upgraded injectors, but we did more mods. Billet oil pump gears, all the cooling mods. You know I love that. I love cooling mods. Big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, set of long tubes, ton of IRS upgrades. I will put links in the description because you can't see them. So I'll put links to what we did to this car right here, but it's gonna be so fast on the street. And if you wonder what it costs to get installed, you simply email quote@brentspeed.com. And again, open that description. You can click on every part and see what they cost. We can ship it right to you as well. So maybe you're not from Indiana or near Indiana and you can't come here. We can ship those parts right out. We have Whipple Supercharged in stock. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Remember, DynoJet SAE automatic, 19 GT, 93 octane with boosting. Makes you about 100. Duck, come over, take a look. This is with the 375 pulley, 680 roll horsepower at 7,800 RPM. Torque comes in at 520 at 5,600 RPM. When we had the stock pulley, so it's about a pound of boost less. You know, we were like about 660 roll horsepower. I think it was like 510 torque. Really easy way to gain some power doing one pulley size. We logged this car and it loved it. It loved the boosting, it loved the 100 octane. The knock sensor adding about 2.5 degrees with the 375 pulley and 680 through the auto, which is really good numbers. Doug, come over here, take a look. One cool thing about this car when it came in, this has been a really good client of ours. He's had multiple Mustangs and he kind of went all out in this car right here. But what's cool is a set of drag radials. You know, so many people come in and make big power, but they don't address the tires. He's gonna be able to put the power down the ground because he is a racer. I think it's awesome. I mean, this car is like a 10-second car right out of the box, like boom. You know, so it's gonna be super cool. So hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And remember, quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? Description. You can see all the parts we installed on this vehicle right here. As well as we have the Supercharged in stock. We can ship it right to your door. Please subscribe and notify us up to date. Happy Labor Day again, and thank you for watching.